Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a card that I titled Egg-Stra Special, and it's an Easter card where I'm using my favorite Easter from Echo Park, the digital version of it. So here I'm starting by stamping the sentiment on the card base because the rest of it will be covered up of the card, and so I want to make sure that I'm giving the space for the stamp, just giving it enough space there, because like I said, everything else will be covered up by the pattern paper, so I need to know how much room to leave for this. So I'm starting with a stamp, and then because this was a slightly longer stamp, I was using my stamping tool there, and then I'm ready to start with the background, the most backward layer of paper. So this one goes in the back, and then the others will be layered on top there in various ways. So cards are super easy to make, I find. You just have to put them together. So then I have this other layer that will actually be still underneath, will partially be covered up. And so that's where I needed to know how much space the stamp would need. And then on top of that goes this scalloped border that I created there. And then I'm adding 2 eggs as a little embellishment there, and that's this card done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.